I tried the Solitaire Chill app to see if you can really earn money playing it, and here's the honest truth. This app claims you can earn real cash by organizing cards in a classic solitaire style and reaching high payout thresholds like $1,000 or hitting certain level goals. Many similar apps advertise big rewards, but the reality is very different. Solitaire Chill presents itself as a simple card game where you clear cards in sequence, but the actual earning mechanics are misleading. According to detailed independent reviews, the app's payout goals like reaching $1,000 or level 100 are nearly impossible to reach, and the game forces you to watch lots of ads in order to supposedly unlock rewards. In the end, players rarely actually get paid anything, even if they reach high goals, because there's always some barrier to withdrawing money. The review I found concluded that Solitaire Chill doesn't pay, and that its reward promises are an illusion to keep people playing and watching ads. The developer behind the app also does not have a known track record in this niche, which makes the claims even more questionable. From what I found, there are no reliable reports of players actually cashing out from this app. Most of what you see advertised are screenshots or clips showing big earnings that aren't backed up by real user experiences. On forums and user comments, people often describe apps like this as scams or, at best, games that keep you grinding with ads but never deliver meaningful payouts. Even general discussions about money-making solitaire games note that the odds are stacked against players and most easy money promises are false. So in real terms, the only part of this app that works is the gameplay itself. If you enjoy classic solitaire and want a casual card game on your phone, Solitaire Chill might be fine as a free time killer. The card mechanics are straightforward and familiar, and it's easy to pick up and play. But if you are expecting to actually make money from this app, you should adjust your expectations. The earning claims are exaggerated, the payout thresholds are unreachable for most users, and realistically, you will spend far more time watching ads than earning anything meaningful. The biggest red flags here are the high cash promises that have no evidence of payout, and the fact that the game keeps you trapped in long ad sequences with no real reward. There are no official earnings reports from the developers and no credible payout confirmations from multiple users. There's simply no proof that you can earn significant money from playing Solitaire Chill. If you love Solitaire, play this just for fun, but do not count on it as a source of income. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.